How's it going? I'm working on this 2011 Dodge 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel. And this video will apply to all diesel engines with common rail stuff going on. So let's say you're getting a code, low fuel rail pressure. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you real quick. There's only a few things that it can be, all right? Check your fuel filters, okay? First thing you should check. You know, you would not believe how many times I've had bad fuel filters, and obviously fuel can't go through dirty filters, so check that, all right? Now the next thing that it could be is your fuel pressure regulator that is on the end of your fuel rail, okay? Bosch makes pretty much everything, it seems, for every one, and they pretty much use the same, you know, fuel regulator for everything. So on the end of the fuel rail there, you see that head of a bolt that looks like a bolt at least. That is your fuel pressure regulator. Now, you know, I would say that 9 out of 10 times that is what the issue is going to be, and the reason is there's a spring in there, and when that spring gets weak, it will not hold pressure properly. So let's say you're pulling up a hill, and probably what happened to you is you were pulling hard or yanking hard or racing your buddy, and a code came up for low, you know, rail pressure. It's probably what it is. So you need to replace that. Pretty easy fix.